Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mathrik. If this is the first time you have come across with this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see an update. And we have the problem written down here. So for x, which is 3 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power x plus 1. What comes into your mind when you see such a question which has got different bases? So for you to solve such kind of question, logarithm must be in your mindset. So for solution 3 power x minus 1 is equals to 2 power x plus 1. So here, this is where you introduce log both sides, in which it will be log 3 to the power x minus 1 equals log 2 to the power x plus 1. And remember that these are not bases. If you see the logs are in different bases, just know that the logs are in base 10. So what you do here, you drop these powers which you have here, in which it will be x minus 1 in the bracket, then log 3, it will be equals to, you also drop this one, x plus 1, in which it will be x plus 1 in the bracket, then log 2. Now, if you reach at this stage, don't make a mistake by dividing throughout by log 3 and log 3. What you do here, you expand. Log 3 times x, it will be x log 3 minus, here this minus, log 3 times negative 1, we are going to have log 3, in which it is equals to, even this side you expand, in which log 2 multiplied by x, it will be x log 2 plus, here this plus, log 2 multiplied by 1, it will be log 2. So if you can see here, you have to correct the right term. This x log 3 and the x log 2, it will be in the same place, in which it will be x log 3. When x log 2 crosses the equal sign, it will be minus, here it is positive, and when it crosses the equal sign, it will be minus x log 2, which is equals to log 2 plus, because here there is negative, when log 3 crosses the equal sign, it will be plus log 3. So here, this is where you factorize now. What's common between x log 3 minus x log 2? Here it is x, if you can see. So we put x outside. X into x log 3 will remain with the log 3 minus x into x log 2 will remain with the log 2, which is equals to log 2 plus log 3. So now this is where you divide, because we want to make x, we are looking for x, we are solving for x. You divide throughout with the log 3 minus log 2. Even this side, log 3 minus log 2. So let's take it here. If you can see, here we cancel and this one we cancel, then we remain with x equals, if you punch on calculator log 2, the value which you are going to get, it is 0.30129 plus, then when you punch log 3, the value which you are going to get, it is 0.47712. Then we divide here. We divide. We all know that log 3, it is this number here which we have, which is 0.47712 minus the value for log 2, it is 0.30129, in which it will be x equals, when you subtract, when you add 0.30129 plus 0.47712, the value which we are going to get, it is 0.77815 divided by, if you subtract 0.47712 minus 0.30129, the value which we are going to get, it is 0.17609. So if you divide this value x in this 0.77815 by 0.17609, the value which you are going to get for x, it will be x equals 4.42. So this is our value for x. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe.